How you doing? This is Daniel here at Phillips Chevrolet in Lansing. Today I'll be going over one cool feature on the Equinox 2023 RS. So one cool feature on the Equinox is the forward collision brakes. So it detects whether a potential accident may happen. So what it does is it alerts you and brakes automatically for you. Also, if that's something that you're not really into or like, you could just turn on the alert system, or you could just turn it off in general. Another cool feature is the front pedestrian detection. So what it does, it's pretty much the same thing, but it's for pedestrians. So if you see somebody in front of you that you actually didn't see, it'll brake and alert you as well. Also, you can turn it off if that's not something you would like to have. And if you have any other questions, please give me a call back at 708-474-0000. Again, my name is Daniel here at Phillips Chevrolet in Lansing. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.